Hey guys, before the video gets started, I would like to show you guys how you guys get notified on when we upload new content, whether it being beat videos, tutorials, or beat sessions. Just go to the subscribe button, click it, you'll be subscribed, and then click this, send me all notifications for this channel, save. And what that'll do is you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Now time to get into the video. What is up everyone, it is Andrew up here of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a new YouTube video. So, it's going to be starting off a little bit different. This is not the traditional YouTube video. Most of my YouTube videos are beat sessions, beat tutorials, beat videos, let's make a beat, a lot of music. However, I got something a little bit different for you guys, and it's related to you guys making more money, getting paid for your content, and it's something completely new. I'd like to introduce you guys to D.Tube. D.Tube is a website where it's pretty much YouTube. It's literally the same premise, except as you can see right here, you don't see the views. You actually get paid. Like, instead of the views, it allocates the value of your videos and content in Steam dollars, which Steam is a cryptocurrency. Now, I'm probably gonna lose some of you guys because some of you guys are like, wait, cryptocurrency, what? How do I make money? It's kind of hard to explain, and I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not a life coach or any of that. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to show you guys this new platform. It's relatively new, and D.Tube is a video platform built off of this cryptocurrency called Steam. And as you guys can see, you can see my videos right here. Now, my buddy, C. Linneman, he actually, I subscribed to him, and he reposted my videos. So that's what you're seeing here, subscribers feed, because I'm subscribed to C. Linneman. He's one of my buddies. Anyways, this platform is a very new video platform where you can upload any video, no regulations, there's no ads, yet you still get paid for it. And you get paid for it through the cryptocurrency, which is called Steam. And so if I just pull up my place, and it's completely transparent, so you can see the value. I have a little bit more value than that. I actually just started. I got started on this a couple of days ago, and I began uploading some of my videos. Now I came on here with no following, so this is what I'm making about, you know, a couple cents under a cent. However, if I am correct, these are getting paid in Steam dollars. Now, if we want to look up the value of Steam dollars, I believe a Steam dollar is $7 US to one Steam dollar. So I'm really about $14. But anyways, let's pull up a video. So this is one of my YouTube videos. So Charlie C. Linneman actually upvoted this video. When you upvote something, and if it's good, you get paid for it. So it's not so much of views, but rather than comments and likes, because they essentially, Steam and D.Tube are all interconnected. There's another website called Steam It, which is like a Reddit form, but built on Steam. Sorry about that. That's my phone. Turn it off. But you get paid in Steam dollars. So if I pull up Steam It, here. Trending. There you go. And this guy posted an article 6 hours ago. Got paid that much. Let's pull up his page. And everything is completely transparent. So if I went over to his wallet, it's gonna tell me how much Steam power he has, how much Steam dollars, and an estimated account value. The estimated Steam in US dollars. Okay, so this is about how much on average of value of Steam in US dollars. So that's actually how much money his account is worth. So transfers, it looks like it shows you all the transfers of people, but you can't do anything with this information. It just shows you. It's kind of like your followers, except it's money. It's putting a dollar value to your actual account, essentially. So Steam power will dictate how powerful his upvote is, or his likes. But that's besides the point. I do think this platform, hold up 1 second. Let's refresh this. So play. Now if I like it, I can like my own thing. You just up to the value. If it wants to load, let's open up a new one.
Purchase your tracks today.
Shows you everyone that likes it and shows the value that they contributed to my video, which will then pay me. So it's a new system. It's something different. I haven't really ever came across something like Steam yet. And when you upload a video, you pretty much click here. You're gonna select your video. Yeah, actually, let's do it. Click this. I'll go to my YouTube. Beat videos. Where is it?
Purchase your tracks today.
Ah, yes, so it's uploading the video now. Control C, Control V. So it's gonna take probably a little bit to upload this video, but once it's done uploading, I'm gonna take, cancel, upload snap. So it doesn't show it, but it was actually the original snap. I'm gonna go ahead and start tagging this, so it'll be ready. Alright, so it looks like it finished uploading the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and submit it. So I uploaded the video, did the snapshot, did the description, and then did the tags. So if I watch the video, there you go, and it's there. So I can go thumbs it up. I'm gonna go ahead and thumbs it up. You guys are gonna see what happens. Gave me half a cent. So essentially, and the one thing I'm really not too sure about is if this is in Steam right here, or if it's in US dollars. I'm pretty sure it's in Steam. And you essentially get rewarded in half Steam power than half Steam dollars. And you're only allowed to upvote so many times in a day, so you can't just go around upvoting everything, but you can upvote a fair amount of stuff. I think it's like 100 different things in a day. But yeah, I definitely would suggest you guys to go check out D.Tube. Here's like how you spell it in the search. I mean, it's literally D.Tube. So before you guys sign up, I'd suggest you guys do some research. Research what Steam is, and also research how you can make money with Steam and what is D.Tube. I'll put the links down in the description down below to my channel, as well as D.Tube, as well as Steemit, as well as Steam.io, or the actual cryptocurrency, and you guys could read the papers. This is a in progress development, but I think this is going to replace YouTube over, I don't know, over the next couple of years, if YouTube keeps going down the bad route. So if you guys found this video beneficial, helpful, and if you guys are interested in D.Tube, or if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out D.Tube. I'll see you guys later.